guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how I achieve my twist out. This is an easy style that you can do on freshly washed or dry hair. I'm working on dry hair for this style using a mixture of oil, Cantu's coconut curling cream, and Eco Styler gel. All of the specifics will be in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out after the video. Okay, let's get to it. I first split my hair into 4 sections and will be working on one section at a time. I will have about 6 twists per section. This helps me to achieve the best definition and the style lasts longer. I'm going to start with some water and lightly spray that on my hair. You want your hair damp, not soaking wet. This allows for less drying time. Then I follow up with some coconut oil, coconut curling cream, and gel in that order. And you can use an oil of your choice, whatever works for you. I just like how light the coconut oil is in my hair for this style. It doesn't weigh it down. Make sure to work each product in very well so that each strand is coated with product. It will come out so much nicer in the end. And of course, detangle. This will help the twist to come out nice and defined. And once again, you will wet your hair. Remember, lightly spritz your hair. Then add oil, cream, and gel. I'm using the praying hands method where you literally place your hands together and work the product in from root to tip. This really helps get product on the whole section. Detangle, twist, and that's it. Look how juicy and bouncy these twists look. I'm going to continue this process for the next few sections and be right back. This is the last section, and I'm going to separate my hair where I want my part to be. I will continue twisting on either side until done, having about 6 twists total. So here we are. It's the next day and my hair is completely dry. I coat my hands with oil to take the twist out and gently separate. This helps to prevent frizz. One thing I wanted to note, my hair takes a while to dry, so I started twisting in the afternoon and took them down the following afternoon. If you need quicker drying time, I would recommend sitting under a hooded dryer. So I will separate the twist once all around, coat my hands with oil, and separate them a second time. Taking a hair pick to separate the hair from root gives me more volume. I love big hair. Now I take a moment to arrange my hair and place it where I want. Yes, arrange your hair. This style took me about 1.5 hours to twist and about 30 minutes to take down. I will try to keep this styling for a week, and we'll see how that goes. Banding my hair and tying it with a scarf at night will help to preserve the style. So there you go. A nice, easy, fun style that's very versatile with lots of definition. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give this a thumbs up if you would like to see more like this. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time.